Hello, welcome back to my channel, you beautiful, amazing G Squad. Love you to pieces. So as you can see, what I'm doing right now is painting some full cover tips. These are by McCart, and we're using the Beetles gel polish for that. And we're doing a nice bright pink and then a nice light lilac color, which is really kind of a light pink as well, but it does sort of, you know, go a little toward the lilac side of the spectrum. I love these colors. They are perfect for Valentine's. Now on this little palette, we're going to lay out some other colors that we may or may not use all of. And we may or may not have put down enough of a couple of them. But you'll see. You'll see. So once we get all the colors down, what we're going to do is just pick up, we're going to start with the yellow and pick a little bit up on our brush. And then I'm going to drag it down in, I'm not floating it across. I am actually sort of dragging it because I do want those brush marks in there because we are doing sort of a plaid fabric inspired design. And so having those drag marks actually helps mimic the look of the fabric. So I really like that look. And I love how we end up with this because in the end, I think the plaid comes out so pretty. I can just picture a beautiful spring or summer dress made out of it. And it just came out exactly the way I wanted it. So we're going to do some yellow stripes going up and down the nail, vertically, up and down the nail. And then on the third one, we're going to do the yellow horizontally just to mix things up a little bit. And that third nail is actually the pinky nail. So while I'm doing this, I actually was just reading an article because I saw a post on Facebook that it was either originally a Tumblr or a Reddit post, but it was talking about how one of the moons of Jupiter, which I just learned today, I knew that it had a lot of moons, but it has like 79 moons. What? Oh my goodness. How do they not bump into each other? But maybe they do, I don't know. But one of the moons, Europa, is like a full ocean moon. And it has a thick 11-mile layer of ice, but underneath that ice is liquid water. And they know this because the Galileo probe actually recorded it spewing water into space through a geyser. And so now what I'm doing is coming in with a little silver on my striper brush, just to give it a nice little vibe. And now we're going to go the opposite direction on all the nails with some green. I just like the green and yellow and pink combination. So back to Europa real quick. So on Europa, it's been theorized that there could actually be life in that ocean because for there to be geysers, there has to be heat, and so there must be some sort of thermal vents. And there are all kinds of creatures that live near the thermal vents in our oceans. So it's entirely possible that there could be life on another rocky, watery orb in our solar system. And how amazing is that to think of? I mean, that just blows my cute little mind. That's just amazing. And of course, the Tumblr post or Reddit or whatever it was takes it to a whole nother level. First, we go from a nice watery ocean that may support some forms of life to now there's space, water, or moon mermaids in that ocean. So that's what I love about reading stuff online, because the fantasticalness of the stories are just so fun. But could you just imagine a race of mermaids living on a moon on the other side of our solar system? That would just be so freaking amazing. I just loved it when I was reading that. I thought, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, the little mermaids happening for real, running around Jupiter. So now on this nail, just finishing up these plaids. I don't know why I'm playing with it so much. I guess I'm just not getting the opacity I was looking for, so I'm just really dabbing it on there. But yeah, I couldn't stop thinking about that thought. And so I started looking up Europa, and it's just the thought of it, right? And learning all these cool things about all the moons and stuff around Jupiter, that kind of stuff. It really makes my mind just imagine cool things and gets my my imaginal juices flowing. And just adding that last little stripe there on these nails with that silver, which is by Modelones, by the way. And speaking of Modelones, we are using one of their glitter gels to come in and paint those lilac nails. And one thing I love this particular gel for, this particular color, is that it would make really cool, like, jawbreaker nails. So now on one of the plaid nails, we're going to put this word love right across it, just like this. Boom. Beautiful. And now we're going to add a whole nail full of hearts on one of those lilac nails. And these will not go all the way. So I'm going to half it and then come in and hit it on the other side, or on the bottom side. And on that other nail, we're just going to add these 3 cute little hearts. And I just went for a completely different color because why not? I like that teal color. Now I'm just taking a little acetone on a brush, and where the hearts made a, when I did that second stamp, there was just some stuff that didn't look really cute, so I just took that off with some acetone. Now it's time for a little top coat. And I absolutely love this set. I think it came out so cute. They are so ready for springtime, bright colors. And I don't know about you guys, but I need some bright colors in my life right now. I was just watching Tracy on Young Nails talking about how she just wants bright colors in her life right now. And I have to say, I 100% agree with that. Bring on the brights. So get ready for some bright nails. This is the finished set. Guys, I love these. Let me know if you agree with that. Be sure to click on my buttons and share this video. Help me get a bigger audience, because that makes everything here a lot more fun. Thank you so much. Mwah. We'll see you next time. Bye.